What's going on, Milli Roaders? Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of different video. I'm going to be reviewing Meguiars Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner, and I'm going to be comparing it to Adam's Wheel Cleaner. So as you can tell, I've used Adam's Wheel Cleaner before and it works really well, but it's a little bit of expensive compared to the Meguiars one, and it holds a lot less compared to the Meguiars All-Wheel Cleaner. So does the price point really live up to its name? How good is Adam's compared to Meguiars? We're gonna find out here in a few seconds, but here's another size comparison right there. You can tell Meguiars is a lot bigger, and I think it was like 10 bucks, and the Adams is like, I think I paid 15 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna link it on the description below, and that way you could, you know, pick or choose whichever one you want. So the test subject is my car. As you can tell, the wheels are very dirty, and I left it like that for a while because, you know, I wanted to do this video for you guys. Not just kidding. I really left it like that because I haven't had time to clean it. But anyways, I'm gonna clean both wheels. I'm gonna clean the entire car, but I'm gonna clean this wheel first, and then I'm gonna clean the front one, and then we'll see which one's the best and which one looks, or came out looking the best. All right, so Adam's instruction says just clean one wheel at a time, rinse with a powerful blast from a hose, spray the wheel surface liberally with Adam's Wheel Cleaner, and then you're gonna see how this thing is gonna kind of turn the wheel kind of a purple color, and I barely have, but it's all good because I got Meguiars. So if this doesn't do the job, then I guess Meguiars will have to do the job. Is to, you know, get off some extra dirt. Look at that, black. But yeah, it's been a while. It's been like maybe a month. I've been extremely busy. I've been traveling, so no time. But anyways, here we go. All right, so Adam's Wheel Cleaner. So I'm just spraying deliberately wherever the hell I want. And as you can tell, it's already turning kind of purple in there. So I'm gonna get in there. I already feel the wheel cleaner running out, which sucks because I really like this. But you know, let's see if Meguiars could live up to its name and beat Adams once and for all. So I'm gonna let that sit there for a little bit, and I'm gonna bring out this Adams polishes wheel, I guess, brush. Forgot the name of it, but yeah, I think this was like another like 15 bucks on Amazon as well. I'll link it down in the description. I have it on the website already, but I'll link it down again so you guys could just pick it up if you want to. But here we go. As you can tell, there's a lot of brake dust here. So let me get to it, and let me kind of just get in there with this brush and kind of, that's what the instructions say for Adam's polishes, just kind of get in there and clean around. So you can tell the difference already. I mean, I guess I missed some spots, which doesn't matter, I'll get with this right here. Yeah, there you go, it's coming right out. But yeah, I mean, just with the one spray, see how much dirt came off the wheel and how much brake dust came off the wheel so fast. I didn't have to like barely touch it, which is why I liked, well, why I bought Adams in the first place, because that's what I heard it does. And I'm not gonna lie, it does do it exactly how they say it does it. What? And the fact that, you know, I barely have to touch the wheel and it'll get cleaned. So yeah, I mean, look how clean that thing is. I didn't do anything to the wheel except just rub it with this thing. But yeah, look at that. So yeah, the wheel's pretty much clean. Yeah, I missed that. I missed a spot there. But I mean, so far Adam lives up to his name. Again, I've used it in the past, and the only downside is that the bottle's extremely small, which I freaking hate. But Best thing is that I didn't have to do anything with my hands and then get my hands dirty, and I cleaned everything right away. All right, and the car looks that much better already. All right, so moved on to the back, to the front actually, and I'm gonna do the same process of kind of just rinsing down the wheel. Just rinse it down a little bit. As you can tell, all the dirt is coming out already. But this time, I'm gonna be doing or using Meguiars Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. So it's best to leave it there for like 2 to 4 minutes, which I don't really like, but let's just spray it. Alright, I'm a little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like with Adams, you definitely have to scrub less, in the sense that, all these areas here, okay, focus. Alright, so you can see these areas here are dirty, and I'm pretty sure I hit that with the spray. So I'm a little disappointed because Adams definitely would have gotten that off a lot faster, but maybe it's because I didn't wait the 2 minutes. So let's see, I sprayed it there for a couple sprays, and up here too, and around the rim. You can see it's turning purple right away, so maybe I just have to give it a little bit more time and it'll come off without me having to really scrub it. All right. Yep, so I guess you do have to wait a little bit longer. I'm not sure, I cleaned it up pretty well actually. Maybe I guess I do have to wait a little bit longer. So I guess in that sense, Adams might be a little bit better. So let me spray some up here. Anyways, while that's waiting, I was looking here, and this is actually actually tells me how many flour. Yeah, so it's 24 ounces, and Adams polishes is 16 ounces. So this is more expensive compared to the Meguiars, and the Meguiars does have a lot more ounces, at least 10 more ounces compared to Adams. So yeah, I guess the Adams pricing is a little bit high, but maybe it's because of what happened to me right now, which I had to wait a little bit longer to clean the rims, or do like a double spray down to actually clean the rims without having to touch them. So let's see. Oh yeah, so still got a little bit cleaner, but I have to go in there and do some work. So I'm gonna clean the rim, and yeah, I guess Adams polish is better. I mean, this still gets the job done, don't get me wrong. I mean, it's a lot cleaner, obviously, without me barely having to touch the wheel, but I feel like Adams polishes, that's why I guess they charge more, because it does live up to its name a little bit more than Meguiars. So anyways, I'm gonna clean the car, and then, well, I'm gonna clean the other wheels, and then I'll get back to you guys and show you the finished product. So yeah, stay tuned. All right guys, so there you have it. The car looks good as new. At the end of the day, I think Adams polishes is a lot better than Meguiars, just because it was a lot easier to clean. It took me 5 minutes, sprayed it on, and then when I sprayed water on the wheels, the dirt came right off. As compared to Meguiars, I had to spray it and then clean it, like physically clean it, instead of just letting the water kind of just rinse the dirt off. So I guess that's why Adams polishes is so good, because it's literally so easy to clean. But anyways, you can tell all the wheels look super clean. The car looks great. The car looks like it's just dripping wet, but it's not. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna link both products on the description below, so that way you guys could get it. And I'll also have it on my website, so that way you guys just click on the Amazon link and buy whichever one you want. And that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video and like my previous videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and then I'll just catch you guys on the next one.